vlogging era in my 20s. No longer, I want to say 8 years old. Anyways, today I went to Ulta. I went to a little coffee shop near my house. It's alright. It was cute. But they only had regular milk. So anyways, I got a white mocha. They asked me if I wanted 1 or 2 shots. Bitch, it's a medium. Doesn't it usually come with 2 shots? I'm a little sickies. My neighbors are in their garage, and I'm sitting in my car vlogging. Anyways, skin giving. I also went to Old Navy. No, because I wanted to, because I was with someone. Anyways, went to Ulta, bought this little tiny thing. It's very tiny. It's like half the size of the regular one. Anyways, opening it right now to show you. It's like very tiny. We'll see how this works, because I don't want to age like a rat. I know my name is Monster Rat, but like I don't want to age like a rat. It's a red truck. Yeah. I guess I'll do what's in my bag. Oh, hold on. What's in my bag? My bag. It's a cute little like Target bag. Anyways, hairbrush to brush los pelos. Wait. What else? Okay. I have chocolate that I got from Whole Foods. Got this like energy gum that I got like a week ago. I can't breathe, so because I'm sickness. Another chocolate. Again, from Whole Foods. Paper. Hair clip. Oh my goodness. This is just like an introduction. Hi Olivia, if you're watching. Oh, stickers, because I'm a substitute teacher and I usually work with small kids, usually kindergarten. So sweet. Tylenol for when I have a headache, because I get overwhelmed sometimes when the kids ask me 500 questions all at once. A granola bar, almonds that my mom put in my bag, lip balm, this card from Julie that came with this 1800s pen, which I can show you guys. It's very, very cool. It's my favorite pen. Do I like this angle, or do I like this angle? I don't know. My one comment shall decide, aka Olivia. Glue, because I work with small children and I always need glue on me, along with stickers. Receipt. This Milani lip balm, lip oil that I accidentally stole, but also not my fault. It was under my cart. It fell and it was there. And I was like, oh, I guess it's mine now. Anyways, this LA lip liner, because NYX discontinued my favorite lip liner. called Urban Cafe, and they can die for that. They should die as a brand, because how dare they discontinue my favorite lip liner. And this angle of me is fucking disgusting. Anyways, let me show you. It's a cute little brown lip liner, but it's nothing like my Urban Cafe for NYX that they discontinued, and they should fucking die for that. They should die. Ugh. Ibuprofen, because when I'm on my period. Flower things. Flower boost. Meant to give that to Julie and Olivia. Oopsies. See? I got 2. I feel like I can't breathe because I'm on my period. Car keys with hairs on it. Now let me take this off. Well, sharpener for my lip liners. What else do I have in my bag? So now I'm gonna go through these right here. Also, hair clip. Oh, I showed you guys. So I have a bunch of cards. The only card that I will show you, I guess, is my BART card, because the rest are like my passport card and my bank card. Oh, I can show you my Costco card. What else? Okay, a receipt, and then I have this. If you don't use Vaseline, I don't know what to tell you, bitch. You probably have some rough skin. That's the end of my video. Moi, pesos.